Welcome back. State government has assured full support to the autistic children. CM Parrikar said there won't be financial constraints from government to provide necessary facilities for the autistic children. MLA Vijay Sardesai raised the question on special educators for autistic children. Meanwhile, MLA Rohan County has proposed a 7-point plan to the government to improve educational infrastructure for special children. Government will soon convene an extensive meeting to finalize the modalities.
As there is no autism expert in Goa as of now, all the experts who are there are either pseudo-experts or self-proclaimed. My pointed question to the minister is whether he will take help from external agencies, maybe from NIMHANS in Bangalore or AIIMS in Delhi, to have proper testing and evaluation procedure for autistic children.
नाही त्या खातीर एक्सपर्ट ज्या जाग्यार अवेलेबल आसा त्या जाग्यार हाडपाक आमची तयारी आसा. So let us go for a solution even by normally bypassing the normal government routes. I am ready to go not only one step, I am ready to go 10 steps ahead and let us do it before September. आता पहिली एक चौथी पहिली एक मीटिंग घेता.
Speakers are taking all the stakeholders like जे resource rooms आसात, schools आसात, parents आसात, NGOs आसा, सगळ्यांक घेवन meeting घेवन points काडिल्ले आसा. A 7-point plan to improve the education of children with special needs. I would like to place it in the table of the house. And at the same time, speakers are honorable CM मागता की जाता इतले बेगीन करचे without taking political thing into it.
Maybe 25, 26, 27 हांव एक एक्सटेन्सिव्ह मिटींग कॉल करता 2-3 वरांची आनी तातूंत बसून काही विशय लिस्ट करून काबार करून उडोवया. मागीर ताका जें कितें गव्हर्मेंटाचें रिलॅक्सेशन जाता तें विथीन 7 days म्हणजे 14 जाली की 7 दिसा भितर इश्यू जातलें.
Whether government will consider तांकां in-house करपाक.
But I feel that if we form a sort of a special fund, trust, controlled by government.
अच्छे दिन कब आएंगे? With this slogan, Communist Party of India staged Dharna at Panji on Tuesday. The leftist party protested against Modi government for no control on inflation. Workers demanded price control of essential commodities. The party has also demanded distribution of essential commodities through public distribution system.
अत्यंत गरज या मोदी सरकारान ही मार्गाय काबार करपाची थांबोवपाची आनी आता चवथ येता गोंयकारांक हे सगळ्यांच्यान व्हडलें फेस्त जरी तर गोडाचो जावं साकरीचो जावं जे दर रव्याचो जावं जे वस्तू खाणा जेवणाच्यो वस्तू जर तेजे समज दर इतले म्हारग जाला आनी वाडटा जाल्यार लोक ही चवथ कशें करतले हे श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर बाबान विचार करचो. जावं ते नुस्त्याचे दर जावं ते तरकारीचे दर जावं ते वस्तूचे तुजे तांदळाचे व गव्हाचे दर.
Goan archer Snehal Divakar is getting a great post in her mission to represent India at the Olympics. The talented 19-year-old archer is now based in Jharkhand, where she is a trainee of the Archery Academy of Steel Authority of India. Snehal represented India at an Asian Championship recently. As a mark of appreciation, the Archery Association of Goa felicitated Snehal at the hands of Sports Minister Ramesh Divakar on Tuesday. Para-archer Manguesh was also felicitated as he is probable for the Indian team for upcoming Asian Games.
Archery Association गोंयांत सुरू जावन 2009 वर्सां सुरू जाली आनी ह्या असोसिएशनान जी कामगिरी केल्ली आसा ती खरेंच कौतुकास्पद अशी कामगिरी केल्ली आसा कारण तांचें काम हांवें स्वताक पळयल्लें आसा. अत्यंत रिमोट एरियांनी वचून ती कॅम्प घेवन गांवांतले अत्यंत रिमोट भागांतले टॅलंट सोदून ते वेवस्थीतपणे ताका एक विकास करपाचो दृश्टीकोन तांणी प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा आनी तातूंत मध्येच एक अत्यंत आनंदाची गोष्ट 9 वर्सांच्या कालखंडा भितर स्नेहल दिवाकर हे चली गोंयची चली आनी ते आज इंटरनॅशनल आर्चर म्हणून फुडें येल्लें आसा.
Snehal Divakar from Fonda, just needs to concentrate on her archery now and not worry about equipments and facilities in general. When Snehal was in Goa, she also faced challenges off the field. But now that she is in Steel Authority of India Limited Academy in faraway Jharkhand, this teenager is on a mission to represent India in the Olympics.
Okay. My score has increased and my confidence has also increased because here I didn't have competitors. Over there I got many competitors and I get experience. We play team match, we play Olympic round, we play elimination round with each other. We compete with boys, we compete with girls. That's the only thing that's gonna improve the performance. If you have many people around you playing archery, competing with you, and here I didn't have anyone.
What are the targets that you have set for yourself? Which is the next tournament that you will be representing India in?
See, it depends. Now there are many tournaments one by one, so yeah, I'll give my 100% to get in the tournament and get in Indian team. So yeah, Olympic is next.
While Goa struggles for latest equipments and coaches, the Archery Association of Goa has not been bogged down. They have kept the ball rolling with their commitment to promote archery, inspiring senior archers to guide the newcomers. Meanwhile, para-archer Manguesh Kuttikar is hoping that he gets selected for the upcoming Asian Games. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Tulshidas Chari from Porvorim.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.